A very good morning from Kashmir. Srinagar was disappointing, but we still managed to have fun on the Dal Lake. But right now we are in Gulmarg. You can already see the beauty behind me, but let me give you a better look of the whole landscape. Endless meadows, sun over there, shadow over here, and then this hugely commercial area. We are at the Gondola cable car point. We are taking an ATV to reach there. You have to book the tickets before online on a website. I'll put it just right here. Yes, so you have to book the tickets and come here, take a ride, take an ATV or take a horse ride, which we do not recommend, and then you can also just walk. It's a 20-minute walk, but we are taking an ATV because we are a little out of time, and we're going to go there. There's only phase 1 right now. Phase 2 is in maintenance, so we have to book the tickets for phase 1 only. Yeah, nothing else. So let's go visit that cable car starting point and go into that cable car, enjoy some really beautiful views, reach the top, and hopefully have some fun there. The ATV ride was short but still very fun. They also provide full tours of the jungle, multiple points, full round, half round. You can ask for the prices because it is always going to change. Yeah, so we are at the pickup point. We're gonna get into the line for the cable car, register ourselves, and then go flying up high. Thankfully, the entry line was smaller, did not take very long, not more than 2 minutes. This is another checkpoint for entry. Let's see how much time it takes. This is a shit show. It's taking more than an hour. But we are almost here. Don't come on the weekends. Let's go. This was totally worth the wait. Going up, going up. Finally here. Let's go. Let's get out of this thing. Come on. Check this out. I really wish we could go towards those meadows. But it looks close, it's very far. You have to take a horse. You can walk, but you have to walk all the way back. We don't have that kind of time. Not much to see here actually, other than the experience of going in the cable car, because just 15 minutes ago we were there, somewhere over there in a line with hundreds of people, and now we are here. So that is amazing. That experience is worth the money. But yeah, it's just different views of different mountains from here. This is the entry for phase 2, and the pods are over there, the red ones. They're testing it currently, but sadly no passengers. And this is gonna be it for this point, because we're not gonna go there. Yeah, so let's go back. It's starting to rain now. Have to improvise and adapt. But yeah, we are going back because there's no point in staying here, because we can't go any further. But yeah, it's bittersweet. Really wanted to go to Apharwat Peak, but let's go back and visit some other places in Gulmarg. That was fun. Not raining here anymore. This is the same valley you saw in the beginning, and see how much the sunlight makes a difference. Yeah, we're going someplace very nice. A little bit of trivia on Yash. When he is driving, you have to brace like this because this man is not afraid of anything. Talk about being a master at your art. This is amazing. We are at a new place, and this one is really good. Check this out. This is Drung Waterfall. It's on the way back from Gondola. And I forgot to mention, if you have a lot of time, go to Gondola. If you don't, then for us it seemed like a waste of time. The cable car ride, however, is the only good thing about that trip. But we wasted around 4 hours on the whole thing. So not worth it according to me. But if you have to go, then you have to go. So take this information with a little grain of salt and you should be fine. Sadly, this is a very commercial waterfall, but there are streams like these that I think you can get into, but you can't really go anywhere near the waterfall. So we're gonna only stay here for a couple of minutes and then leave and maybe see something else. Let's see. Alright, so we have come to a new place, and this is very far away from the commercial hotspots. Going to take you to a waterfall. Can't really find it, so we're gonna look for it, but we are in a jungle. We found it. We found the stream, so the waterfall is not going to be hard to find. Check this out. This stream, gonna sit on that tree. Gonna try at least. Comes from all the way up there. It's called Shrunz Waterfall. It's truly amazing. Completely engulfed in the forest. But this has been really amazing. I have always looked forward to visiting Kashmir, and it sucks that I could not do it earlier, and it sucks that I could not do it for longer this time. But I'm surely gonna come back here because this is truly amazing. Sarthak is already climbing down. He's gonna try to sit on that tree. We're gonna do that. Let's go and give this trip a very good goodbye. Alright, let's try not to get wet and get on that tree like Yash has. Yash has. Okay, so this is, I don't know what this is, but looks like shit. Ooh, almost avoided it. Rahul is barely managing. I'm gonna look the same. It's a long jump. Whew. I'm almost stuck between. So this is my one leg, this is my other leg. Alright. Woo, woo. Finally here. All of my boys are here. We can't find Lux for some reason. Oh, Lux is over there. Always lurking in the background. This is amazing. I love this. So I am on this tree now. And obviously I'm not going to try to walk on it because if I fall in the water, it's going to suck. So let's try to sit and go further up. Woo. On the tree now. This is amazing. I love this. Woo! Alright, I think this is the best way to end this vlog. Best way to end Kashmir's trip. The first but never the last. And I'm going to see you guys. Thank you for watching. my tours in Kashmir. More to come. Thank you so much again. I'll see you soon. Bye.